Sige, give me your feedback now. Kung wala na kayong tanong. Feedback,
For me,
what you
sir,
learned today, what you learned from yesterday, from the patient management process. No?
from today, sir, I am Rivera, sir. Ano ba? Today, sir, at our level, we cannot confidently say that when we read a laboratory test that it's wrong. So today was a very unique experience for us, and it taught us that we should not take everything at face value and always correlate with the clinical picture before committing and making a diagnosis or prescribing treatment based on those laboratory exam. From the module, sir, I um ano ba? From the module, sir, I was able to learn how to um more systematically diagnose a patient based on um a good history and PE or the symptom data and sign data, and of course use the benefit, risk, cost, and accessibility matrix in selecting both diagnostic tests and treatment options.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Next.
Sir, ako naman sir, Roldan po sir.
Ah,
For this, ano sir, thyroid case sir, na-appreciate ko sir is yung parang delineation between diffuse and nodular sir. Kasi when we were thinking of the differentials, medyo nahirapan po kami. Especially sir with the parang yung presence din ng akala namin na hyperthyroid symptoms. So parang we were guided sir na like not take everything at face value. Parang analyze it more whether kasi there's the aspect of subjectivity din po. And also dun naman sir sa lecture kagabi, um yung ano ko sir yung pinaka point ko na yung sa diagnostics naman sir, since parang may advice part din doon sir. Parang usually kasi we just give some plans for the diagnostics. As parang we don't consult or like give advice to the patient kung what it's about, what its benefits are. So siguro yun sir, important din po since we're in this setting po na every peso counts.
advice. Okay, importante yung advice, no? Okay, sige. Ikaw,
Sir, simbolan po.
Simbolan.
Yes po. For me, to add po sa sinabi ni Ryan, I appreciated din po talaga sir yung how we should really be confident in kung ano po talaga yung nakikita natin sa patient. Kasi kagaya nga po yun, nag-hyperfixate po kami sa mga symptoms na akala po namin na hyperthype po talaga siya from the beginning. And naka-affect din po siya on how we parang planned yung magiging differentials and even the diagnostics part, sir. So ayun, we have to be very careful din po talaga sa kung ano po yung dapat um i-take po talaga at face value. And then for the lecture po yesterday, yung pinaka na-appreciate ko, sir, is how it was able to somehow simplify po yung through the algorithm on how we can efficiently do yung mga patient encounters, sir. Especially po yung sa diagnostics na part na if the two diseases po na kino-consider natin ay same naman po yung treatment, we can consider po kung kailangan pa ba ng diagnostics in the first place po or not po.
Okay, very good. Okay, so I'm glad that you have learned something at least. Okay, if not a lot. Okay, so wala nang tanong, let's have a group picture taking before we adjourn.
Oh.
Ha? Sige.
Wait lang, sir. I'll take the picture po. I'll take a picture, sir,
Oh,
in
sige,
3.
sige.
Okay, ha? 3, 2, and 1. Okay, sir, we've taken it po.
Okay.